Or, according to Code Noir out of the Louisiana Law Review, there were at least 12,000 slaves in St. Kitts. So they massacred all of the natives and then imported slaves from Africa? But there are people right there.
Facts.
I mean, if they were going to import something,
They found it in the 1800s. So before the 1800s, what was the people in New Orleans? Who was the people of color?
Probably not. Apparently they sent boats all across the ocean. Continuing.
And we was already here.
St. Kitts and
This is ancient Kemet.
Swords, ships, and sugar. Damn, say that fast. Swords, ships, and sugar. Ships, and sugar. The island's earliest cash crop was tobacco, along with ginger and indigo dye.
Try to make y'all think this ain't y'all
The
home.
Caribbean and North American colonies deflated the price, resulting in a
Must read this book, y'all.
moratorium on St. Kitts tobacco farming.
Y'all see what Rod Wade's talking about now, Chief Pontiac, when he say he feel bad about New Orleans?
On St. Kitts in 1643, and on
This is what Chief Pontiac talking about when Uncle Rob telling us about this.
built to crush the canes and extract the juice. The planters grew prosperous, even rich, where Nevis became the richest British colony in the Western Hemisphere by 1652. By 1776, St. Kitts was the richest British colony per capita.
It's all greediness.
Money.
All this is over profit. The world is corrupt.
And I've been trying to make. Oh, I'm an island boy.
They're just making that money.
Come on, man.
That sugar cane.
World is corrupt,
and
man.
no tobacco.
It's all off of profit. This world is ran off of profit. Took our loyalty away, took our culture away, and now it's all about profit, colonization.
All right, I'm done. I'm done. Though indentured service were common amongst the islands, fewer than half survived their servitude, and field work required African slaves. This is an
Peace, love, and prosperity, man. Send out this transmission, man.
of indentured
Like, share, subscribe, man. Peace, love, and prosperity.